Hello people, welcome back into this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can use the keyframe features on CapCut application to move your photo inside of the video project. I already got this black background on my video project, so let's just add some more emoticon or some stickers also could be great. Just tap into this text, add the stickers, and you can just get what stickers that you want to get here. I would like to have love, so let's just find love animations here, and we already got this a lot of love stickers on it. Now I will let you choose one of them and just go click cancel, go click this checklist button, and we already got this. The next thing we need to do is just make sure that the duration of this stickers is just the same with the duration of the video. Now we need to place where do we want to start this video on the stickers. So I'll let to start it right here. Now the next thing you need to do is just take a look on this button. Add into this shape with the small plus button on it. And the next thing you need to do is just moving the clip into the specific duration, and you just need to swipe this sticker into the specific positions that you want to get. Now continue into the next step. Just do the same. You just need to do what I did on my video. It's almost done. It's almost done. Okay, now we got ready for the result. Now you will get the result. You see that the love sticker is moving around this video. So that is the function of the keyframe on the CapCut. You can move whatever that you have on your project easily into the specific area in a super simple way. That's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this a lot. So please type into the comment section if you're wondering about other tutorials, and see you for the next tutorial.